Hello, everyone. Welcome. So my name is Andrea Sun, and I'm an optimal performance and health coach and acupuncturist. And I've got the beautiful Dr. Shara here, who's a brilliant chiropractor from Singapore. And we're just going to have a little bit of a chat. And I've been collaborating with Shara for a few months, and we've had some amazing little magical things happen. Do you want to introduce yourself, Shara?
Sure. Hi, Andrea. So my name is Dr. Shara Downey. I'm a practicing chiropractor in Singapore, and I'm a growth strategist for other natural health practitioners. So help them grow their practices and quantum leap their results.
Awesome. And she's amazing, absolutely amazing. I've been loving collaborating with her. And there was a while ago, quite a few months ago, I can't even remember, so much happens, but where you were feeling a little bit overwhelmed, you were doing a few programs and a few things weren't flowing in your business as they normally do. And I think we were meeting up, and just intuitively I felt guided to do a one-on-one intuitive kind of embodiment meditation to help grow your business. And then a few weeks later, I think it was about 3 weeks after, there was a lot of other magical things that just skyrocketed out of the blue, where you took a lot of inspired action and some huge things started changing. Could you share a bit about what happened for you?
Yeah, sure. So during the COVID period, we were closed in the practice, and that gave me the opportunity to really build my coaching practice for my other national health practitioners. And in doing so, I had the opportunity to interview a lot of different professionals and share that, so everyone going through this time would feel supported and empowered. Now, at a certain moment, I was feeling slightly overwhelmed because I had a lot going on, but I also wasn't sure what my next step should be or what the best next step should be.
Yes.
I'm someone who can work hard and take lots of action, but I don't want it to always be so hard. I want it to be more easy and know that I'm doing the right thing. And so when we spoke, I had shared that with you, and just sharing that I was feeling a bit stuck on my next step, but I had a lot of momentum behind me. And so after we did the meditation, the immediate thing I found was feeling a lot more calm and clear about what I should do next. And within like a 2-week period, I all of a sudden grew my Facebook group from like 80 to 110 people. And I started a Facebook group for my practice, which is super interactive. So I love that. And, we've run a webinar and we had some great results there. So it was like within 2 weeks, all of a sudden, boom, boom, boom. So same action level, but the effort was half and the results were double. So it was great.
Wow. That's awesome. So, that's awesome. And is there anything in your particular business that you felt has changed or in your personal life that has changed in the last few months?
A lot. But no, I think the biggest one is just keeping focused and making sure that your heart and mind are in alignment with your business goals. Because if there's any discord, of course, then it doesn't matter how much action you take, you're not going to get the results you're looking for.
Yes, definitely. Well, that was a massive result. I was so excited to hear about, you just like skyrocketing forward, and just to know that we've all got that within us, and every single one of us, when we learn to nourish our yin, which is like our sort of sleep and meditative self and quiet self, then that boosts our yang, which is our business. We can put all of that energy into our business and move forward. So very, very proud of you, and I can't wait to hear all about the exciting things that are coming up in the future, which you're doing. I believe you're interviewing chiropractors around the world at the moment.
Yeah, definitely. So we're doing individual interviews, and I have the honor of doing a panel discussion. This month is an important month for Black History Month in the US. And so we're going to be talking to a lot of minority female chiropractic leaders, and just having a panel discussion on experience, equality, education, and how to raise a family in the current environment.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. And she's really just, having such an amazing time meeting all these chiropractors, working with them internationally, and really using her natural skills, which is bringing out the best in people. So I really honor your greatness, Shara.
Thank you.
Yes. So is there anything else you'd like to add before we finish up?
I think the component, we all know it logically. I don't think we utilize it enough or really internalize it. But the whole idea of taking that time, like you said, to self nourish and slowing down can sometimes let us go faster, right? So when we're taking the time to meditate, taking the time to look after ourselves and do the self care, you actually get better results and quicker than if you just keep slogging and plugging through. And that's, I think, the biggest thing that I really got out of our work together.
Yes. Oh, thank you. And that's one thing that I really am loving about the Qigong, because I don't know if you know what Qigong means. Qigong means working with the vital life force, which is the universal life force that keeps you alive, the animals, the plants, the whole of the world. And when you feel it right through your body, going right through your body, it's like body, mind, breath, and body alignment. So, it's an amazing experience. And we all have the opportunity to step into who we really are, which is our mastered brilliant self. And
Mm.
yay for that. And look at the massive action and inspired action that Shara took, and the great results. I think you said your income increased as well as with that when you did that.
Yeah, definitely. I signed up more one-on-one clients.
Definitely. So there's possibilities for all of us, and let's all take care of ourselves, nourish your yin health, so you can unleash the yang in your business and be truly living the business and life, healthy, happy, and wealthy life that you all deserve. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Shara. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.